So good morning to everybody. So already we revised chapter symmetry. So today we will start perimeter and area. First tell me what is meant by perimeter. Definition of perimeter. Yes, the distance around the outside of the any two-dimensional shape. The distance around the boundary of the shape. It is called as what? Perimeter. It's a perimeter. Alright. So what is the exact definition? The distance around perimeter. The distance around the outside of any shape, any closed shape, any closed figure, otherwise any closed figure. The figure should be closed. Okay, it is not necessary to be closed. You can find the perimeter for this also. So any figure we will write. The distance around the outside of any figure is called as what? Perimeter. It is called as what? Perimeter. Otherwise you can say that add up the lengths of the sides. Add up the lengths of the sides is called as what? Perimeter. Then area. Area means what? That amount of space, this is the amount of space occupied inside the boundary of an shape. Inside the boundary of the shape. Area is nothing but the amount of space inside the boundary. The amount of space inside the boundary. What is the unit? What is the unit of area? Square units. Unit is square units. Am I right, dear? Yes. Then come to the next point. Here, so what are all the points we are going to cover in this chapter? First one is conversion of units. First one is what? Conversion of units. Conversion of units. That is, King Henry died, mother didn't cry much more. King Henry died, mother didn't cry much more. It is what meter? Decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Am I right? Okay. Then 1 meter equal to 1 kilometer equal to how much meter? 1 kilometer. Kilometer is here. Meter is here. So you are going up. So you have to multiply by multiples of 10. So 10, 100, 1000. So 1 kilometer, that is equal to 1000 meter. If it is 1 kilometer square, then what will you do? 1 kilometer square is equal to 1000 into 1000. So already you learned in exponential powers. A square is nothing but what? A into A. 2 square means what? 2 into 2. So 1 kilometer square is nothing but 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer. That is 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. Here 1000 meter, then 1000 meter square. Am I right? 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh meter square. That is equal to 1 kilometer square. If we want to convert centimeter into meter, 1 centimeter is equal to how much meter? Yes, you are coming down, so you have to divide by the multiples of 10. 10 tens are 100. So 1 by 100 meter, that is equal to 0.01 meter. Are you getting there? Yes. Then 1 hectare, that is equal to 1 hectare. 1 hectare, that is equal to 10,000 meter square. 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square. 10,000 meter square equal to 1 hectare. Okay, when are you finding the area of the land and all, it may be given in meter square, you have to convert into hectare. Okay, then perimeter. After that, what? Perimeter. So already we know the definition of perimeter. It is nothing but sum of the length of its boundary. Sum of the length of its boundary. Now, perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. Let A be the side of a square. Then perimeter will be 4 into A. Perimeter of square is what? 4 into A. 4 into side. Here the side means we took it as A, therefore 4 into A. For example, the side of a square is 3 meter. Then what will be the perimeter? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 12. So you can write like perimeter of square is 4 into 3, which is equal to 12 meter. Perimeter of square, that is equal to 12 meter. 4 into 3 is 12 meter. Am I right here? Yes. Then second one is rectangle. Second one is what? Rectangle. If suppose L and B are the two adjacent sides of the rectangle, then perimeter of the rectangle will be 2 times of L plus B. Perimeter of rectangle is nothing but 2 times of L plus B units. That means L plus L, it is B. So L plus L is 2L. B plus B is what? 2B. So 2L plus 2B, which is equal to 2 times of L plus B. Am I right? If it is 4 centimeter, it is 3 centimeter. Then perimeter will be 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 times of 7 is 14 centimeter. 2 times of 7 is what? 14 centimeter. Then perimeter of a triangle, equilateral triangle. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is, what is the property of an equilateral triangle? Yes, in a triangle in which all the 3 sides are equal. Let the side of the triangle be A, then the perimeter will be 3A units. Perimeter will be 3A units. Example, 2.5 centimeter. Let the side of the triangle be 2.5 centimeter. Then the perimeter is what? 3 into 2.5. That is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Which is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Which is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Then isosceles triangle. What is the property of an isosceles triangle? Yeah, in a triangle in which any 2 sides are equal. In a triangle in which any 2 sides are equal. Isosceles triangle AA. These are the 2 equal sides. Suppose the base is B here. Then the perimeter will be A plus B. That is 2A plus B units. 2A plus B units. Just you add the sum of all the sides. Just you add the sides, length of the sides. You will get that. Am I right? Then scalene triangle. What is meant by scalene triangle? In a triangle in which all the 3 sides are unequal. All the 3 sides are unequal. For example, it's a triangle. Here all the 3 sides are unequal. Then the perimeter will be A plus B plus C units. A plus B plus C units. Am I right here? Perimeter is nothing but A plus B plus C units. Am I right? Yes. In the next video, we will discuss about area. Thank you everybody. Thank you.